Hey guys, first of all, extremely sorry I was not able to release the video last week. Now this week, the topic which I have chosen is a bit hatke than what we have been talking for so many weeks. Yes, it's about the financial health. We have been taught to save money. We have been taught to have a really good financial portfolio, or we should have a good old age corpus, etc, etc, etc. But to have this, we need to work. So when we work, then we earn money and then we can save money. So in crux, it's something like we are working for money. Now imagine a situation wherein you are not able to work because of some reason, and if you don't work, then there is no money. If there is no money, then there is no saving. So a situation becomes a bit harder. At times it really becomes difficult to maintain our basic lifestyle also. So the thing is, the crux here is, or the moral of the story is, that if you are working for money, you have to work eternally. Well, think about a situation other way round, that we don't have to work eternally. Instead, money works for us. Ain't it interesting? And if that happens and still our basic needs gets sufficed, we do have a good lifestyle, then how about thinking in that direction? In today's video, I am going to discuss about how to manage money or how to make money work for us. And I'm also going to give a little bonus tip, so do watch the video till end. So friends, without talking much here and there around, I would directly come to the principle, because the principle for making money work for us or managing money is also simple and straightforward. To make money work for us or to manage money, the thing is that we need to invest in assets and not liabilities. I'll give you a simple example. Normally what happens is, when we get our salaries, or we say when we have our monthly incomes, what we first do is that first we try to spend on our requirements or needs, and then whatever is left out we try to save. And the savings again occurs in the form of either they are kept in a closed cupboards so that they can be used during emergencies, or they are sometimes being invested in mutual funds. So friends, the thing is, we should change the approach in terms of that when we get the salary, we need to first plan for savings and investing, and then left out money can be then spent for us. Even Warren Buffett have told, don't save what is left after spending. It's always advisable to spend what is left after saving. Friends, there is a difference between saving and investing, though these both terms are used interchangeably. Saving is something that you keep aside money along with you so that you can use it in emergencies. The money doesn't multiply that fast. Investing is something that you invest your money in assets, which ultimately generates income for you. So the basic difference is that savings do not generate income for you, investing generates income for you. Let me give you an example, because this brings to me that we need to first understand the difference between assets and liabilities. Now, what if I tell you that buying a home is a liability? You will first say that what you are talking. Buying a home is a dream for everybody. Yes, I do agree. But to imagine, once you buy a home, you will have continuous expenses which you have to incur into it. Like आज कलर करवा दिया, कल कुछ मरम्मत करवा दी, परसों अंडरग्राउंड टंकी बनवा दी, फिर आपने कुछ एलिवेशन बढ़वा दिया, या तो फिर दूसरा एक फ्लोर खींच लिया. What is this? This is all expenses. These are expenses which ultimately do not generate further income. So a home becomes liability. Thus, to explain a liability, it is the investment that you do which will not generate income for you. The other way around is asset. Asset is that the investment which you do which will generate income for you. Say for example, you are buying a commercial space or a home. Again, same example I am giving. But if you give it on rent, you have a steady income coming in. Or say you invest in mutual fund, you invest in equities. Nowadays what is coming up is investing in startups. What is that? It is generating income, and the asset is also something wherein your presence, your time, your thought process is not required, but still you earn out of it. These are the assets. So friends, now I hope you understand the difference between an asset and a liability. Now the question comes to the mind is that, okay, well, we'll invest in assets, but from where to bring money? Early 20s are the time where you can really start saving your money initially and then start investing in assets. I'll share a very simple but very important rule with you. It is the rule of 20, 50, 30. Remember, it's the rule of 20, 50, 30, wherein 20 stands for saving the money, 50 stands for your basic needs, and 30 stands for your requirements. I hope you again understand difference between needs and requirements. Of course, it's a long topic to discuss, but in short, if I talk about, need is something which is must for you, and requirement is something which is a leisure for you. Now it changes with everybody. You need to note down it and then understand that what will fall into your 50 rule and what will fall into your 30 rule. So let me give you an example that if you're earning 10,000 a month, so as per 20, 50 and 30 rule, the thing is that you need to save 2,000 rupees or keep aside 2,000 rupees first. Then keep aside 50, that is 5,000 rupees for your needs, and then rest 3,000 could be planned to spend for your requirements. I hope you have noted that I have not told 30, 50 and 20, or I have not told 50, 30 and 20. 20 comes first in our rule. Follow this rule judiciously and then gradually plan to get into the investment mode. Of course, that requires knowledge of finance. So that gets me to the next topic, that is that financial intelligence. You would have heard about emotional intelligence, but equally important is financial intelligence, because that helps you to understand numbers, that helps you where you can invest, that helps you what the laws are, and that helps you how you can pay your taxes. So financial intelligence is must. So once you start saving your money, initially start investing in small ventures, small things like say having a mutual fund of say 1,000 a month, having SIPs. Of course, I will talk about this, that is investing in mutual funds for beginners, in my next video. So friends, if I summarize today's video, it's all about investing money in assets, and assets are the things which will earn money for you, wherein you yourself are not required to be part of earning, and this is how money can work for you. Second, what I talked about is that it is a rule of 20, 50, 30. Again I'll repeat, because this is very important rule. It is the rule of 20, 50 and 30. I'll give you a bonus tip here, that when you are planning for your 20, 50, 30 rule, then do ensure if you can save even from the last 30 bit, that is from your requirements. What will happen is you will be able to increase your 20 to 25 sometimes, some of the months where you are not going to spend your money on your entertainment. And the third and most important part is to have financial intelligence. So do learn, you may be of any field, do learn a bit of accounting, a bit of investment strategy planning, a bit of laws which really govern your money, the money which is really hard earned by you, by yourself. Of course, everything starts with a small bit. I am a Gujarati, and in Gujarati we do have one saying, "Tipe tipe sarovar bharai." So, start from today. Never say tomorrow. I hope you have found my video a asset for you. If so, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for being with Sahajsoch.